Alright, this is how we do it in Jamaica when we lazy enough and can't bother with the matches and fire and thing. We just starch it up. Cold stove everything there. Oh, I know. I tell you, man. I'm father already, you know. When I run a pot, sparks a fly. Father gonna let me pack up some pan. I go down, pile up in a little way. And put in a middle, so. But what they are running now? Dumpling and thing, chicken, and madras. And they just go done. We still have to walk up, you know. Can't left out with two of them. If I am a sparks of Christmas. Put them up. You put them up now.